Alright, so we have a Frigidaire Mini fridge. So it's plastic. It's a nice red. Everything's plastic on it. It does have a handle at top, so you can carry it around with you. There's the side. Have some vents. And here's the back. You have a air intake. And you can turn it off or on. Controls the fan. There's a fan there that takes the air and cools it down. There's your radiator. Turn that on. Open this up and there it is. That's inside. There's the door. It's pretty roomy in there. And it gets wet too. I got my kickstart here. So we're gonna set it in. So it's a pretty good size. It can fit in pretty well, and you got a nice little plastic window there. See? Let me out! There it is. It's in there. And it keeps it pretty cold. I got my thermometer. I've had it for about 4 years. It works great. Just hold it at something and it tells you the temperature. So, comes in handy. We can use it on the mini fridge. So it's about 44 degrees, not 41. Yep, it's pretty cold in there. It keeps everything good temperature. 36 degrees. Alright, well, that's for the review. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.